everyone. Today we're going to play a game called Fruits or Vegetables. This is called a T-chart and it helps you graph to find out which one has more. It also helps you sort or categorize. So we have a couple of pictures here. And you can play this game too at home using grocery ads. That's the newspaper you get in the mail. And you can cut up the pictures of all your favorite fruits and vegetables and then play this game at home too. Let's see, what is our first one? Who knows what this is? It starts with the letter O. What plant starts with the letter O? Let's look at what color it is. It's an orange color. It has seeds on the inside. So does that make it a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit. This is an orange. And oranges have seeds on the inside. So that makes it a fruit. So we're going to put it under our fruit category. What's this one? There's two varieties here. That means there's two types of this plant. It starts with a melons. These are called melons. There's a honeydew and a cantaloupe. Those are both melons. And you can see that they have some seeds on the inside. So is that a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit. We're going to put it under our fruit category. We might have to do it two at a time. There's a lot of pictures and not enough window space. All right. This one starts with the letter P. Can you say P? You can feel it when you say that too. Say it to your hand. P. It's like a puff of air. This is a potato. What do you think you can make with potatoes? This is one of my favorite plants. You can make French fries, or you can bake them, you can grill them, you can mash them up and make mashed potatoes. Potatoes don't have any seeds on the inside. So do you think, is that a fruit or a vegetable? It's a vegetable. We'll put it under our vegetable heading. Ooh, these are another one of my favorites. They're really sweet. This one starts with a CH. I'm going to help you out because when it has a C and an H, it makes a different sound. This one says cherry. Who's ever had a cherry at their house before? I love to eat cherries, but you have to be careful because what's inside? A seed. That means that it is a fruit. We have lots of fruits. This one's another colorful one. These ones are crunchy and juicy, and you can see they have seeds on the inside. But these are one of our surprise ones, right? Because this is a bell pepper. Did you know that a bell pepper was a fruit? Oh my, that is a surprise to me. I always like to eat it with my salad. I thought it was a vegetable, but it's a fruit because it has what inside? Seeds. It has seeds inside. That makes it a fruit. This is another one of our favorites. It's red and has green leaves on it, and it's juicy and sweet. And it starts with a strawberry. It's a strawberry. Do you think that strawberries or a fruit or a vegetable? I'll let you in a secret. These seeds are on the outside. Who ever heard of seeds on the outside? And you know what? You eat them with the strawberry. Amazing, right? And we didn't even notice that there were seeds on that strawberry. This one is long and skinny, and it says asparagus. This one doesn't have any seeds on the inside or outside. This one grows from the stalk. What do you think that means? There's no seeds on the inside or outside. Does that make it a fruit? No, it's a vegetable. Look at our chart so far. We have a lot of fruits and not so many vegetables. I'm going to scoot our easel over so you can see all the words. Sometimes it's hard to see in a picture. What are these ones? Have you had them before? They're not round. They're kind of big on one end and skinny on the other end. These are a pear. Pears do have seeds on the inside, so that makes it a fruit. There we go. This is another surprise one. Let's see if you can figure it out. It has a big round seed on the inside. It's a fruit. And do you know what this green fruit is called? You can mash it up to make guacamole. This is a avocado. It is also a fruit that sometimes gets mistaken for a vegetable. That means some people might think that it's a vegetable when it's a fruit. These ones are really big, round, and juicy, and they're very, very heavy. Do you know what this is? This might be a little bit hard to tell because this one had no seeds on the inside. This is a seedless watermelon, but usually it has seeds. If it has seeds on the inside, that makes it a fruit. Look at how colorful our chart is getting. We have so many colors all over. This is another green one that's different from the asparagus. This plant is big and round, and it looks like a flower. Do you know what this is? It starts with it also starts with an A, just like asparagus. This one starts with an A too. This one is called an artichoke. And it doesn't have any seeds on the inside or outside. You eat the flower part. So this is a vegetable. Oh, this plant is super sour. I wonder if you can guess what it is. I'm going to cover it up and let you see just a little bit of the picture at a time. Tell me when you think you know what it is. What do you think those are? They're yellow and sour. And sometimes you squeeze them with some water and sugar to make lemonade. Yeah, you use lemons to make lemonade. And they do have seeds on the inside. That makes them a fruit. This is another green plant. It's long and skinny, just like the asparagus. But this plant starts with the letter Z for zucchini. And you know what? It has seeds on the inside. That makes it a surprise fruit. Have you ever had zucchini before? My favorite way of eating it is roasting it in the oven or on a grill. Do you know this one? It's round and juicy. Sometimes you eat it crunchy, or you can eat it when it's soft. And you can make lots of different things out of it, like something that starts with this word and sauce. Apple sauce. And apples have seeds inside, so they are also a fruit. Oh my, we can't even see our whole chart. Let me see if I can scoot our tray back, or easel, so we can see. You can barely see it. How can we problem solve? Sometimes I make the pictures too big because I want you to be able to see on the video, but it makes it hard to show lots and lots of things because they get too big and they don't fit. We'll just have to move all our pictures up. So this is a time when I made a mistake. That means that something did not go the way I planned, but I could try again. Now can you see them? Yay, we did it. This one is another favorite one of mine. It's also green. We have a lot of green plants. They have little buds or flowers on the top, but that you eat. What does that sound like? Eating the flower. Was there another plant that was a fruit or vegetable that we also ate the flower? Yeah, the artichoke. This one, though, instead of an A for artichoke, this one says a B for broccoli. Broccoli looks like little trees to me. What do you think? Does it look like little trees to you? These ones are purple, which you might not be able to tell in this video, but they're like a dark purple color and they have green leaves on top. This is a eggplant. It doesn't look like an egg, but it does look like a plant. Eggplants are vegetables. What do you think? What are these? They started with a s. And we saw this word before, potato. Potato. What starts with that? It's a sweet potato. It's also called a potato. So what do you think? Is it going to be a fruit or a vegetable? It's going to be a vegetable, like the potato. This is a sweet potato. And it's a little bit starchier and skinnier than a regular potato. These ones are, this is a big picture. Usually these are about this big, not very big, but they're juicy and kind of a dark blue color. So what do you think these might be? It's a blue berry. It's a blueberry. I've had a bunch of these in my pancakes. And blueberries have little teeny tiny seeds inside. So is it going to be a fruit or a vegetable? It's a fruit. Luckily, we are almost to the end, so we're almost out of room. What's this one? It's green. It's shaped like a sphere. It's a cabbage. You've ever had cabbage before? It's kind of crunchy when it's raw, or when you cook it, it gets a little bit soft. And it doesn't have any seeds. It's kind of like eating leaves. So what do you think that makes it? A fruit or a vegetable? It's a vegetable. These ones only grow in warm weather, but they're nice and sweet on the inside. This is a mango, and it has a large pit or a seed inside. That makes it a fruit. We're gonna have to get creative. How are we gonna attach this guy or this one on here? We'll stick it on the side right here. Our chart doesn't go all the way down. This one is like the broccoli, but white. This one is a cauliflower. And you also eat the flowers, just like the broccoli. That makes it a vegetable. These ones are about the same size as the blueberry. And they're in a whole bunch of them. A group of them is called a bunch. And this starts with a grape. This is also a fruit. You're gonna have to stick it up here. And our very last one is also sour, like the lemon. It even starts with the same letter, lemon, lime. And just like its cousin, the lemon, the lime is a fruit. So those are our fruits and vegetable game. You can pick out all your own and try it out at home. See if your family knows if it's a fruit or a vegetable, especially the secret ones like the bell pepper, the zucchini, and the avocado. See if you can find any other ones that people think might be a vegetable, but it's actually a fruit. Well, I'm glad you came to play with me today. Until next time, bye.